everyone, I'm Rossella Rago, and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am in the kitchen with my mama Angela today. Say hello to everybody.
Ciao a tutti! Hello to everybody!
That was a big hello. And tell everybody what you're going to make for them.
Oh, today I'm gonna make my special tiramisu. You know what tiramisu means? Lift me up. And let me tell you, when you eat it, you feel like flying. I'm just kidding.
Oh, Ma. Well, my mom's tiramisu is actually really special because it's not exactly a true to form tiramisu.
Oh.
But everybody that has ever had this tiramisu is absolutely in love with it, begs her to make it for every single party, and it's lighter, it's a little bit different, it's actually a lot cheaper to make, I just want to point that out. And it's a little bit easier to put together from my point of view because I've watched her make it since I was a little kid, and I just seen the reaction from everyone be so amazing. So I'm just going to go over the ingredients really quickly. You want to help me with the ingredients?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Whipped cream.
So this is heavy whipping cream.
And custard cream.
So this is our pastry cream, our easy custard cream that is already on the Cooking with Nonna website, and we also have a video for it. So we will link that below if you want to see the recipe and the video for how to make this custard cream, but we have it already made right here.
And then we have coffee and milk.
Coffee and milk. We have some powdered sugar for the whipped cream. We have some of this, which is Italian vanilla powder or vanillina. If you don't have this, if you can't get to an Italian specialty store or find this online, you can just use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, regular vanilla extract. I just love this stuff.
Oh, it's delicious. But if you don't have it, it's not the end of the world.
No, not the end of the world.
You could still do without it.
We have our cocoa powder, our cacao, and we have our ladyfinger cookies. And for the topping, this is something my mother does, we have some frozen cream puffs. I know, but just go with it. Trust me, it's going to be great.
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prepare this whipped cream, right?
Yes.
So we're going to add our confectioner sugar.
Yes.
And what else?
Yeah, never put regular sugar in the whipped cream. The vanillina.
This stuff smells so good.
Yeah, it smells good. And now you're ready to go.
Okay, you're ready to go.
Oh, you want me to do it?
This is your show.
Okay.
I'll hold the bowl for you.
Yeah.
So we're going to whip this to stiff peaks. You want it nice and...
nice and thick.
Nice and thick. Okay, our whipped cream looks beautiful. So I'm going to put this right over here.
Okay. Be careful. Now, you take like a quarter this and put it in here.
So we're going to make a French cream right now, or what my mom calls a French cream.
Yes.
This is Ange's French cream. So if you don't think this is French cream, talk to Ange.
Yeah, one more, that's enough. Okay?
That's enough?
Yeah, and now we mix it with the blender. So
okay.
Okay.
Some people call this mixture chantilly cream. Some people call it French cream. I've heard it called a number of different things. When I was growing up, we always called it French cream, a mix of just sweetened whipped cream and the pastry cream. So this tiramisu is going to be so nice and light and beautiful. It's going to be a layer of whipped cream and then the layer of French cream in the middle and then whipped cream on top.
Great.
So
okay.
Just get rid of it.
And now we could start the layers.
And then when I was growing up, it would always be like, who would get to lick one of these? Okay, so now we're going to work on our coffee mixture.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so let's bring that over here.
Okay, and we need to mix espresso. Has to be 100% espresso.
How many espressos do you drink every day, Mom?
I don't count them.
She drinks like 17 espressos a day, and she takes 1 sip.
Oh, yes.
Why don't you drink the whole thing?
Because I like my espresso hot. When it gets cold, I lose interest.
And we're adding some whole milk. And if you saw the ratio there,
Yeah.
she adds a lot more milk than espresso.
Yes. Otherwise, people will get too nervous. Yeah,
Too nervous.
Yeah, you can't put too much espresso.
So again, for the full list of ingredients and the full recipe, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. We have the link below, and you'll have the whole recipe laid out nicely for you. So now that we have all of our things prepped, let's bring the cream over here.
Yes, but we need the cream later because the first layer has to be done with the whipped cream.
Okay.
The French cream is the second layer.
Okay.
Okay, so we could do this. So what we do...
I'm going to bring this over here.
Okay.
We're going to start dipping our cookies.
Yes.
These are our ladyfinger cookies. And you just want to dip them once and then place them.
Yes. Don't keep them too long in it, otherwise they get
Too soft
too
and
soft.
mushy.
No, yeah, we don't need that.
So this is also like a really great make-ahead dessert that my mom used to make. I think at any given point, our freezer is filled with like 4 or 5 tiramisus.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
She makes like 3 or 4 at a time and freezes them. And then when somebody calls her to go to a party, she's like, I know what I'm bringing.
No, but people tell me don't come without the tiramisu, so I don't have an option.
I know. No, you're right.
Absolutely.
They really do. They request. She's right.
Yes.
Okay, so these, we're going to break this.
Yeah, break that so it's going to fit perfectly. We can also squeeze another one in here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we squeeze it. Okay, great.
This one, you fill any holes that you have.
Yeah, fill all the holes. And now that we have the first layer, what we do, we spread some whipped cream on it. So first layer has to be whipped cream. Yeah, fill all the holes.
Okay.
We need no holes.
So I'm going to take the whipped cream.
Yes. And do a nice layer, just cover it. Everything has to be covered. Yeah, okay. Yeah, nice. Be generous, then...
And sometimes a tiramisu, a traditional tiramisu with mascarpone, it can be a little heavy.
Oh, yes.
So everybody loves this.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Okay, now we do the second layer, and we put them in the opposite direction.
Yeah, so if you start horizontally from that side, you got to go the other way.
Yes, absolutely.
Because it's like you want this tiramisu to have good structure. It's like you're building a house.
Yeah, it's fun. Okay, great.
Okay, now we can squeeze one more.
Okay,
No.
great.
Just like that.
Now,
It's time for the French cream
French
layer.
cream. Okay, so we just have to put the French cream in here. See, if you put regular cream, it's too heavy. Instead, with the French cream, it makes it lighter.
It's so delicious, this cream.
Yes. And believe it or not, a lot of people thought that I had mascarpone in it. Of course, I didn't reveal my ingredients, but, they all believed that I had mascarpone.
Ange has her secrets.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but now you're telling everybody.
Yes, because I want everybody to enjoy it. Why not? I'm not going to live forever. You can't keep secrets forever, Rossella.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, sooner or later, the truth comes out.
Sooner
And
or later,
this is the
Ma.
truth about my tiramisu.
How long did you wait to reveal the secret?
Years.
How
You know,
many
I
years?
was pretty nasty because a lot of people, they asked me for the recipe. Rossella, I never gave it to anybody.
She doesn't write down recipes.
No, I just, wanted to keep it a secret. I was kind of possessive and jealous of my recipe, And
Yuma, never.
No, but I never gave it to anybody.
Okay, let me.
Okay, perfect.
Can I smooth
Okay.
this out for you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And now we're ready for our last layer
Last
of
one.
cookies.
Yes. Okay, great.
Beautiful.
Okay. So we went that way. Now we have to go this way, the opposite way. Yeah. Make it nice, and then you can squeeze in little holes. You know? Okay, great. Now,
Okay.
now we put the whipped cream.
I always love that beautiful white top
Oh,
layer
yeah.
of whipped cream. So pretty.
And then, when you're done with the topping, with the whipped cream, you could put some cocoa on top.
Never cinnamon or anything.
No, mamma mia.
Always cocoa. So people, when they go and have like a cappuccino or something that top it with cinnamon, no, no, no. The Italian way is always to top it with unsweetened cocoa powder.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I never saw an Italian that put cinnamon in his cappuccino. Never in my life. Delicioso. Yummy.
Beautiful.
Looks yummy.
So now I'm going to get these out of here. And we're going to take our unsweetened cocoa powder and just sift it right over the top.
Yeah.
And you can do as much or as little as you want, right, Ma?
Yeah, it's a nice touch, you know, but some people don't even put the cocoa powder, but if you put it, it looks nicer too.
I remember when my mom was in a pinch, she used hot cocoa mix on top.
Oh, come on.
You did.
I know.
But it was good.
You know.
Okay. What do you think?
Bello, bellissimo.
Beautiful.
Okay, now we could put the cream puffs. They're not 100% necessary. You could do without them, but the reason why I put them is that it comes easier for me to put the wrap around and to freeze them.
So it actually creates like a nice height when you want to put plastic wrap over it before you pop it in the fridge or even the freezer.
Yes. And let me tell you, a lot of people like the cream puffs too.
Yeah, the cream puffs are good.
Yeah,
they're good cream
good.
puffs. We didn't make them, but they're good cream puffs.
Oh, yes. But you can also make the cream puffs.
Yeah, you totally can.
La buona volontà, goodwill, you know, if you want to make them. Great.
And this looks so, so beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is also like a great birthday cake. My brother actually loves this as his birthday cake. And you can write happy birthday on it. I don't think anybody would be disappointed if you showed up at their house with this.
Oh, no.
No?
Everybody was happy.
Has anybody been disappointed when you showed
No,
up with this?
never.
No, they all loved it, right?
Yeah, no, to tell the truth, I got offers from restaurants.
She got offers.
Yeah. A lot of restaurants, they asked me to do it, but I said, you know, I don't have the time. I can't.
So we are going to cover this in some plastic wrap, and we're going to pop it in the fridge for a couple hours or ideally overnight. This is something that you want to serve nice and chilled. And then we're going to come back and we're going to cut it and we're going to taste it.
Yes. Oh, you know what?
What?
My mother can taste it and be the judge of
Oh,
it.
yeah, no, Nonna loves this.
Yeah, Nonna, yeah.
All right, we'll see you in a second when we're ready to eat our tiramisu.
A presto, arrivederci. See you soon.
Okay, so what do you think, Ma?
So cute.
Our tiramisu has been chilling in the fridge for a while, and now it is finally time to cut into it and time to taste it. What do you think?
Yes.
We're going to taste it?
Of course.
Okay, I mean, tasted it many times, but I know this will be the most special time because we made it together on the show. And when you're cutting a piece of tiramisu, you want to make sure and use a nice sharp knife because you want to get a nice clean cut piece.
Yeah.
And the first piece is always the hardest, but Okay, hold the plate, Ma.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to go this way.
Good girl.
Wow. This looks beautiful. Look at
Delicioso.
those layers of tiramisu. Okay, Nonna, you want to taste it?
Of course.
And I think we need one more person to taste it just to make sure it's really, really good. Nonna, you want to come and taste?
Yeah.
Nonna's going to come taste it too.
I hope she likes it.
If she doesn't like it, we're in trouble, right?
Oh, mamma mia.
Nonna's here.
Yay.
You need a fork?
Yeah, sure.
You want to taste the tiramisu?
Yeah.
Tiramisu di mamma è buono, right?
Anytime she do very good. So good.
So good. This tiramisu is light as a feather.
That's true.
Amazing. So delicious.
I love her. Very good.
And it's not too sweet. Right, Ro?
It's not too anything.
Yeah.
It's just the right balance of coffee and creaminess and beautiful, beautiful layers of the crunchy cookies. Cookies still end up a little bit crunchy in this. I don't like them too soft and mushy, but
But if you want, you can make them soft.
Very good. I
Just
love
the way
her.
you like.
so good. These three Italian ladies approve of this tiramisu. I love this. This has been a classic in my family, and I hope it becomes a classic in your family. So me and my ladies are going to have a party with this tiramisu now.
Yeah.
Ma, thank you for being on the show again. I know you're very busy. Thank you for making
Bye.
it fit into your schedule.
I enjoy this show. I just like it.
And say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye. I love everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Everybody's so wonderful. People are wonderful. Right, Ma?
Sure.
What do you think about people? Don't you think people are nice?
Wonderful. Are you the best?
Oh, Mommy, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Oh
bye.
my
We'll see you
God.
next time.
Ciao, arrivederci.
Okay.
A presto. Ma, show an Italian word.
Bye bye.
Parla l'italiano, ma you can speak Italian, ma.
I give
Well,
up. I give
auguro a
up.
tutti un anno felicissimo.
Oh, that's a blessing.
Yeah. That's a
You're
good
getting a
one.
blessing from Nonna.
Yeah.
Yes. Ciao.
Ciao ciao.